Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana and I'm a stay-at-home mom slash full-time content creator. I really wanted to just bring you guys along with me grocery shopping for my family, and also wanted to show you guys my 2-week meal plan. I love to plan two weeks ahead. I really feel like it just helps me not have to make a lot of grocery shopping runs, grocery trips, and just like have a lot of food in the house. I usually get like everything that I'll need for 2 weeks besides produce. I only get for like 1 week. But anyways, I really wanted to show you guys how I plan for the 2 weeks and then also bring you guys along with me grocery shopping. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So the first half is going to be a little bit more chill. This is the night prior grocery shopping. Today is Friday, February 3rd. I'm going to go grocery shopping tomorrow, which is Saturday. I really wanted to just show you guys, like how I meal plan. So we're just going to jump onto my laptop. I think I'm going to like screen record my laptop so I can really show you guys like how I meal plan and how I keep everything organized, where I look for meals. And, just kind of show you guys that if you're interested in, thinking of being more creative of different meals to make for your family, or if you just want more of a variety, I really suggest you keep watching this video. I love to like switch things up. We don't eat the same thing all the time. I really get tired of like food. Like if I'm constantly eating it over and over, I won't want it for a really long time. So yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit more chill. We're just literally gonna be hanging out for the first half of the video. Like I said, I'm gonna screen record so you guys can see kind of how I do everything prior to going grocery shopping. So this here is my meal plan and my grocery list. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the layout I prefer. I made this easily on Canva. So what I do first is I always start with dinners because we do switch it a lot. I love to like plan out my dinners ahead of time. I usually do like lunch and breakfast kind of repetitive. Like I kind of do like the same thing, but we like to switch up dinners a lot. And if I start to run out of ideas, I like to go to Pinterest and just kind of get some inspiration on some new different dinner ideas that I can cook for my family. And finishing up with the dinner section, I then go straight to breakfast and I plan out all my breakfast for the 2 weeks. And then, I'll plan out my lunches as well. I actually forgot that Valentine's was this month, so I honestly might change what I cook for my family on Valentine's Day. I was really thinking about making like a whole vlog of going grocery shopping, cooking for my family, and then also getting like a little goodie baskets for my boyfriend and my daughter, and then, you know, making maybe like a movie night too. I'm not sure, but I wanted to do something special for them on Valentine's Day. So after I finish up all the snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I go straight into my grocery list and I go meal by meal and I just, you know, plan out what I need for groceries. I love to separate it between produce, you know, dairy, like, you know, just stuff that goes in the pantry, meats, and, you know, just like things like that. It really helps me stay organized, and I go meal by meal because I'm like, okay, what's in this meal? Like, let's say breakfast, eggs, potatoes, that's gonna be in most of the breakfast meals, so I knock that out and I just go down the list like that so I know what I need to get when I'm at the grocery store. And also, like I mentioned earlier, I do like to only buy produce for the first week or for 1 week at a time because I don't like, you know, produce goes bad, so I just get it 1 week at a time. I get everything else besides like fruits and veggies for 1 week at a time. It really helps keep the food last longer. So as you could see, my list is pretty much done. I did have to switch some things around. I didn't have enough space, but yeah. If you guys are interested in any of these meals, I highly suggest you screenshot or get ready to screenshot. In a little bit, I'm going to show all of my meals again. But yeah, guys, that's really how I meal plan. I love to plan it out 2 weeks in advance, and it's just easiest when I can, you know, see it. I always print these pages out so I know what's next on each day. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We just got ready to go to the store. We are waiting on her dad to get back home so we can all go together. I do have eye gels on my face. If you guys have not tried them out, it's the Marie eye gels. You can get them on Amazon. They come really fast and I really like them. So maybe you guys should definitely check it out. I'll have it linked in my Amazon storefront below. I'm just gonna take you guys around the store with me, show you guys what we get, and then also probably when I get back home do like a haul for you guys or put the stuff up with you guys. Not sure yet which one, but let's just see where this vlog takes us. And yeah, let's get to the store. Oh my gosh, my tomatoes. Wait, oh no, my dad put these in the basket. Oh, he walked away. Looking for snacks. My babies. Literally basket full. It's crazy. Okay, you guys, so we just got home. That took us forever to do. Literally, we're there for 2 hours. I'm exhausted. But right now I'm going to like sort through the groceries and kind of like lay them out, and so I can show you guys what we got. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. We did really good. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay guys, so I literally went and organized everything to show you guys. I'm gonna run through this really quickly. I got all our cheese, yogurt, cream cheese, sour cream. I have some cereal, potatoes, ramen noodles, snacks, some nuts, syrup, oysters, rice, a whole bunch of snacks, you guys. These are a whole bunch of snacks. We got some more. All of our tortillas that we're gonna be using. I also got some chicken stock, nacho cheese. Over here is crushed tomatoes, beans, olives, another beans, some fish fry, gumbo base, yeast, some seasonings that I needed to get more of, breadcrumbs. Moving on over here, we have our, frozen stuff, wings, Italian sausage, bacon, salami, andouille sausage, lastly cod, shrimp, catfish nuggets, breakfast sausage, chorizo, and then just some steak, some skirt steak. And then all of our produce looks crazy. So literally a whole bunch of fruit, avocados, spinach, corn, mushrooms, asparagus, cucumbers, bananas. Got some capers. I'm going to try and make chicken piccata, garlic, broccoli, tomatoes, bell peppers. This is all the stuff right here is for the enchiladas. Carrots, eggplant, lettuce, celery, onions, potatoes. Also got different types of potatoes over here. But potatoes, some squash, zucchini, cilantro, and parsley. And then we got our juice, orange juice, almond milk, oat milk, ranch, butter, ketchup, Minute Maid, apple juice, eggs, English muffins, bread, and then rolls, and some chips for the nachos. And lastly, this big thing of rice. Literally, it's huge. But we like to get the big ones because it just lasts a lot longer. So basically you're paying less. But yeah, that's everything we got. A little quick view. Oh yeah, and about the meat, Winco literally had no chicken breasts at all. So we're gonna go somewhere else and get that because that's like one of our main sources of protein that we eat. And it's in a lot of the meals planned. So we're definitely gonna go get that. Also, we're gonna go somewhere else and get some waters. But yeah, that's everything. So that finishes today's video. If you guys are curious to see how these meals unfold, I'm definitely going to be doing a weekly dinner video and also what I cook in a day. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.